Hey guys, this is Saditya and welcome to the 11th tutorial of XHTML and CSS. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about something a Colspan. So, what the heck is this Colspan? Just assume, what if you want a table, but you don't want that all the rows in the table have an equal column. So in this case, what you want actually that in the top of the first row there is a one column, and in the other rows you want a three columns. So in this case you need a Colspan. So what it actually do is that it covers the three columns and make it one, so that your data becomes bold and centered at the first column of the first row. Don't worry if you don't understand this. You can understand this, just watch this tutorial. Okay, don't panic about this, I'll explain you. So first thing, I need a table. So let's add the table tag. Okay, with the border 1 pixel. Okay, let's close this table tag. Okay, so a couple of spaces here. I need 4 rows, so I'll type tr/tr. Okay, let's copy this and make a 4 rows. Okay, so here I got this 4 rows. So in the first row we need only one column, but the data should be centered. So what I need is a Colspan. We need to add Colspan in the first row. So in the first row here I need only one column that is bold, so I just have to add th, that is table header. Let's close this table header. Okay, but I actually want a data should be centered, so I have to add Colspan, that stands for column span, then equals to a number of value that it gonna covers. So I'll put it 3 because in this case it's going to cover the 3 columns and make it 1, so that my data becomes centered. Then we need a data in this, so I'll put the data that is class data. Okay, let's save this. Okay, and then in the second row we need another table headers, but here we need a 3 columns, so we need a 3 table headers. Okay, let's copy this. Okay, so here we got the 3 columns, so we need a data in this. So, and as in the previous tutorial, just we will do the same. So first we need a name, then we need a class, and then we need a roll number. Okay, then in the third tutorial we need a regular column. So for the regular column, just put t, okay, and td. Okay, so let's copy this. Okay, again we need 3 columns, so just copy this, and in the last row we need 3 columns as well, so just copy this in this as well. So just put some data in this. So first name, I'll put my name, then a class 5th, then 21, and then again a data, another name Rahul, and class 5th, and then roll number 32. Okay, so let's save this and see what will happen. Bang, here we got this beautiful table. So let's compare this. Okay, so at the first row here we have only one column. Okay, so here we got only one column. Okay, so what if I erase this Colspan? Okay, then what will happen? See, it is not centered because the Colspan make these these three columns, and make it one so that my data becomes centered. So that's how the Colspan work. So let's put it again. Colspan equals to 3, and then save this and remove this. See here the Colspan make the 3 columns into a 1. So after this we will have a second row in which where we have 3 columns, table header columns actually. So here we got the name, class, and a roll number, and in the last 2 rows we just have a regular columns with a respectively data. So here the data are. So that's how you use the Colspan in the table. So that's all for today's tutorial. Hope you like it.